Well, I woke up to a bit of a surprise this morning. And if you remember from my drive to Canada, I actually lost my front drive shaft of my truck. And I still haven't fixed it because it hasn't really been snowing or getting much weather. And I haven't been driving the truck a ton. So today, I think, is the day where I'm going to actually do it. So this thing's been sitting here for a while. Yeah, I'm going to fire it up, pull it in the garage. We're going to have to do some jockeying of vehicles real quick, but shouldn't be too bad. Got a new drive shaft from Tom Woods. Figured I might as well just buy a nice one rather than buy one at Napa if it's going to be the same price. So I also picked up this little shitbox Ranger here. It's a 3-liter 2000 and kind of been just ripping that thing around town. It's a got it for $1,400. Thing's sweet. I'm actually super hyped on it. But okay, we're gonna have to do some jockeying because right now we've got the 4Runner in the garage and a bunch of shit in the way. So yeah, it's definitely got a little bit of snow on it too. Hell yeah. She is not gonna love this. Oh, let's see. So I've been kind of on the hype of leaving it in stock when I start. And even after the glow plug light turns off, I don't know if you think this. I don't know if you think that your glow plugs turn off when the light turns off. They don't. You don't have to cycle them. You can tell really easily if you just look at the battery gauge because it's super low and it'll stay like that for another 30 seconds or so. So I usually just leave the key turn for a while and let them get nice and hot, and then let's see what she does. Oh yeah, a little chop. Woo! Chopping up a storm. All right, so we got the truck running. Next order of business, we got to get the heater going. My nice heater setup is this outdoor fireplace, but it makes a ton of heat and it works really good. There we go. Fuck yeah, baby. All right, let's get the 4Runner keys and get this thing out of here. All right, now I got to move the Ranger out of the way. If it'll open. There we go. This thing is awesome. I love this little truck. Let's see if it'll move. I'm curious to see if it'll even move in all this snow. Oh yeah, we're cruising. Look at that. Oh, we're burning out. When I bought this thing, it actually came with a set of snow studs. So I'm gonna throw those on there today too, I think. The runner seriously needs some love. It's, the whole front end is blown up. I don't know what it is yet. I think it's either the wheel bearings or it's the trunnion bearings. Hell yeah, baby. So obviously this thing barely fits in the garage, especially in terms of height. It's a bit close, but I try to get it as close to the end as possible. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah. Oh no. What are we hitting? Oh no. Oh, it'll go. I might have to pull up a hair. Damn it. All right. Keep the heat in. Got her in the shop. All of that snow is going to turn into water pretty soon, and it's kind of a bummer, but hopefully we can knock this out pretty quick. We got our Woods Driveshaft. Stoked. Shop's been a bit of a mess recently, which is a little annoying, but I just keep having things to do and not enough time to do it. Let's see. Sweet. It's even got the sticker on it. Heck yeah. These things are kind of hard to find. And so not a lot of people also are looking for drive shafts for their F350. So I had to have it custom made, but luckily my buddy Kyle had the same issue as I did. I don't know if he lost his drive shaft or not, but he needed a drive shaft made. And he actually just sent me his order sheet from Tom Woods, which was super nice because we have the exact same setup. F250 with a Dana 60 swap, ZF5 7.3, which means that we have the same length drive shaft, but a lot of the Dana 60s have different U-joint sizes and different yokes and all this weird shit. But I'm pretty sure I did a little bit of research, did a little bit of measuring. Pretty sure I have the larger bearing caps in the front, which is what he had as well. So this thing should be an exact fit. I really hope it is because I don't want to deal with it. There she is in all her glory. I'm stoked. I'll have to find, oh nice, it's got the right double card in. I'll have to find some of the pieces of my old shaft. They're hilarious, dude. This was still attached, so half of the double cardin was still attached to the yoke on the transfer case side. Front U-joint was gone. One of the caps is still in a strap, which is funny, but yeah, let's get this thing in there. Yeah, I already got this yoke disconnected and it's ready. So next thing, I've got to pull the strap off. The strap's still on there. Holding that one U-joint cap on there still for some reason. So I'm gonna pop that off real quick. All right, so everything's good to go. This drive shaft is ready for install. So let's get some light up here. Let's line up this flange. Alright, so I'm basically just trying to thread these bolts in at a really shitty angle. And it kind of sucks. Alright, there we go. We're taking thread now. So this is what we're doing. There's bolts that go in right here. Those attach to flanges here. Okay, so got the rear, good to go there. Now we're gonna cut this wrapper off the front, put those caps on. So this is kind of the part I was worried about, and I'm really hoping that these are the right U-joint caps. We're gonna find out right about now. Yes, sir. Those are the right ones. We're stoked. Hell yeah. All right. We got ourselves a drive shaft. So stoked. Finally be done with that. Last thing I need to do, which I probably am not going to do right now because we've officially entered the part of this where the ground is completely soaking wet, which is just how it goes. Next thing I need to do is fix the transfer case linkage, because right now I have to get out of the truck and manually engage it, because when the drive shaft went, it basically took the whole linkage and blew it to smithereens. So, and yeah, that'll probably be it for today, but stoked we got that done. Yeah, hoping I have more time to post more stuff and get out and do some snow wheeling. Yeah, stoked. Thanks.